Hey friends, I hope everyone is doing awesome today. Alright, so for our writing lesson for today, we're simply going to find something that's very special to us. And if you remember, we did something very similar like that in our own classroom. Special means it's very important to you for one good reason. So maybe you have more than one reason. So what I'm going to ask you to do is walk around your home. It can be in your living room, in your own room, find something that means so much to you that is very special, okay? What I did is I went ahead and walked in my own home and I found something that meant a lot to me, that it was very special. It is very special to me. And my very special item is going to be my friend here. Of course, you guys should know who he is. His name is Woody. I'm going to tell you why he means so much to me. So the reason why he means a lot to me and he's a very special friend to me is because it reminds me of the first time my daughter and I got to go to watch a movie together. And we actually got to watch the movie Toy Story 3. Instantly after we left the movie theater, my daughter became obsessed with Toy Story. Not Jessie, not anyone else in the movie, but Woody. And so her dad went and got her Woody, and she takes this toy everywhere she goes. This poor Woody has been through a lot. As you can tell, it's not in great condition. And I think that is why it means a lot to me, because it means a lot to London. What I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to write it on a paper, okay? So you're going to draw a picture of the item. So I would draw a picture of Woody, and I'm going to label, okay? Label just means drawing a line from the eyes and writing eyes. Drawing a line from the head and writing head or vest, okay? And I will show you an example. I'm going to ask you to draw a picture and label, and you're going to write 3 or more sentences as to why this item is very special to you. And of course, I'm asking you to do this, so I've done it myself. It can be on any paper. There's no strict rules on that, okay? So here's my example. All right, of course, I'm going to ask you to put your name. Here's my name, Ms. Bravo. And here's my item, Woody. And as you can see, if I put it up closely, you can see where I labeled his eyes, his nose, his mouth, his vest, and I did my best and try to draw it. It does not have to be perfect. Now, Ms. Bravo, what if I don't know how to spell eyes? Well, friends, you can just try your very best, okay? Here are my 3 sentences. My Woody toy is really special. It reminds me of the first time London and I went to the movies. We watched Toy Story 3, okay? So there are my 3 sentences as to why this little friend is very special to me. All right, just to recap and go over what your expectations for this assignment is number 1, write your name. Of course, I need to know who did the assignment. Number 2, draw and label, right? Just like I labeled the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the vest, okay? Number 3, write 3 or more sentences. And number 4, send a picture of your work to Ms. Bravo on Remind. And I know your parents will help you take a picture of it and send it to my Remind. Remind is an app that I've been using to communicate to all your parents. If you have any questions or your parents have any questions, feel free to send me the questions to my phone number or anywhere that I've reached to your parents before. All right, friends, please remember to be creative. If you don't have crayons, it's okay. I absolutely understand. Like I said, this is the best we can do for now since we are just looking at each other through cameras. I really hope you guys are doing great and you guys stay safe. All right, bye.